Hey, it's Annie. Today I wanted to share a quick little tip with you on how to get nice thick looking lashes that don't look clumpy. I know a lot of times mascaras can get kind of clumpy and it can get frustrating. So I'm going to show you the mascara that I use that I really love. And you can see one eye I have my mascara on, the other eye I don't, and you can see the big difference that it makes. Without it, and actually the liner helps as well, I apply a little bit of a thicker line right above my lashes to make my lashes look thicker, but the mascara is the key. So let's get into this. The mascara that I use is a waterproof mascara. Excuse the grossness of this one. I just ordered a new one. It's coming in the mail, but this is from YSL. This is the waterproof from YSL. I love this mascara. Sometimes I do get a little bit of transfer. Sometimes it seems like it depends on the shadow that I'm wearing. I don't know. But I do sometimes get a little bit of transfer with it, but it's the best mascara that I have found in a while. It gives my lashes a really thick look, and in my opinion, it almost looks like I'm wearing false lashes. So what I do so I don't get clumpy lashes. First, I apply at least 3 coats, and I know that seems like that's a lot, and you're gonna say, oh my gosh, like how do you prevent them from getting clumpy? I'm gonna show you. So let's apply this together. First tip I'm gonna give you too, and this has nothing to do with clumping, but always make sure that you apply your mascara on your lower lashes first before you do your upper lashes. If you do that and then you go down to your bottom lashes, you're probably gonna get little black dots on your nice eyeshadow that you put on. So first I will apply my mascara to my lower lashes, and I kind of wiggle my brush a little bit. It's kind of like you're teasing them a little bit. You're teasing your lashes, and it just really works that brush in there and helps the mascara coat onto your lashes. Then, and I see I have some transfer from my eyeliner. Just want to get that off of there. Then I go in with my brush. I tilt my head back like that. It doesn't look like on a video, but I really am tilting my head back. I tilt my head back. I kind of close my eyes slightly, and then I wiggle my brush and I work my way up. And I don't keep putting my brush in and out. You really don't need to do that, especially with this mascara. Sometimes I need a little bit more, but I can get quite a bit without going back in for seconds. So I just work on my lashes. And I forgot to mention this too. Before I apply any mascara, I always curl my lashes. The eyelash curler that I use, I love this one, is from Tarte. That's the one that I use. I love it. This one's all blinged out because it was a special gift with purchase a couple of years ago, but they still sell their eyelash curler, and I really, really love it. So I'm just working here, getting my mascara on. Now, as you're going along, this mascara, like many other good mascaras, it's gonna coat your lashes really well. That's what I like about this. It's a little thicker of a formula. It's not too watery. I find that formulas that are a little watered down don't give my lashes a nice thick look like this does. But the problem with the thicker mascara is that it can start to look a little bit clumpy. So it's starting to look like that a little bit now. So what I do is I'm going to stop. I'm going to put my brush back. Then I will take a mascara wand. Then I will take a mascara wand. Now I got a box of these at the beauty supply store. I will leave a link below and see if I can find it somewhere else, but that's where I bought mine because I'm a licensed hairstylist. I don't know if Sally sells them. They might, I don't know. But I just take these little wands and I will brush my lashes. This works so much better than that comb that comes with the little brow pencil. This works so much better. It just keeps the curl in my lashes. It doesn't take all of it out, fluffs them up a little bit, and then I will go back with my mascara and then I will apply more. And I will just wiggle it up a little bit. Anytime it seems like it's getting a little bit clumpy or too clumpy or sticking together, I will go in with my little wand and I will brush it through. But it's really nice because it fluffs it out, it separates it a little bit, but it keeps the mascara looking nice and thick. It doesn't thin it out. And I'll do it again. And I don't have to do this every single time. You know, sometimes I don't need to do this with this mascara. I didn't do it at all on the other eye today. Those little disposable mascara wands are so nice to have on hand. And you can curve them too if you want to. If you don't want to use it flat like that, you can just curve it. I'm going to get a little bit more on my, a little bit more. Put that away. I may use a little bit more yet. How many coats did I say I use? Sometimes I use many coats of mascara, but I have really blonde, non-existent lashes. And I like to be able to see my lashes from a distance. Okay, I think that is it. I'm just want to wipe my face off. I have a little bit of fallout from my mascara. And so I'm going to get you close so you can see. So that is what I do so my mascara doesn't look clumpy. That is it, just a quick little video, just a little tip I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And I will leave a link below too if I can find these online, and the mascara and all the makeup that I'm wearing as well. And that is it. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.